Hi, I want to talk to you today about our wide format laminators and some of the cool features that we have and some of the cool accessories that we can add to our laminators. Our laminators, they come with a supply shaft up here, and it also comes with a bottom supply shaft here, right? And this is great because you can run your laminating paper, your craft paper here, which will come up and go underneath. If you're running some shorter prints, it'll make sure that none of the adhesive gets onto the bottom roller or gets gummed up on the platen in the back. But sometimes when you want to run some media, you can run your media here and come up with that as well. But then you have to take this off. You have to take off your craft paper, and then you have to put the media on. And then when you're done, you have to put the craft paper back on. By adding the front feeder assembly, that eliminates the need to remove the craft paper. This way, you can leave the craft paper there. When you need it, it's there. When you don't need it, cut it off. And then you can run your media straight up onto the machine, which I'll show you in one moment. One of the great things about having the front feeder is that you take a roll of media, right? After it's printed on your printer, you take the roll of media right off of your printer. You take the shaft bar, slide it into your roll of printed media, like so. And just put it right onto your laminator. Alright, and what this does is it allows you to feed the media in very easily, and it also allows you to line up the media a lot easier than if you were putting it onto the bottom supply shaft. So you just line it right up. Hit run. And you have your media lined up completely straight. So what we want to do is we want to run the film until it comes out to the rear wind-up assembly core. Then we want to stop it, and then we want to tape it down in the middle and on both ends. And then start it again. So that way it catches up on the rear wind-up assembly. Now, once it winds up around there, we can speed up the laminator, and you could run true roll to roll. It's winding up on the rear core, and it's not falling on the floor or getting dirty. You don't have to worry about somebody back there catching the media as it comes off. It's really one-man operation. You got the front feeder coming in, you got the rear winder on the rear. It's laminating perfectly straight. And you can get it up to full speed, and it will really save you time and effort in your print shop.